So Anna wants to know, Wolters World, how much should I pack for a 2-week trip? Well, I'll be honest with you. It doesn't matter if it's 2 weeks or 2 months. The best way to pack, the way that I pack, the way that Jocelyn packs, we have one rule. It's called the rule of fives. And a rule of fives is basically you have 5 tops, 5 bottoms, 5 pairs of socks, 5 pairs of underwear. Though you could throw in an extra underwear in your carry-on, but that's a whole other thing I want to talk about. And that's what we do, because if you have 5 outfits, well, those shirts and pants can move around and switch, and so therefore those 5 shirts and 5 tops could turn into 10 different outfits when you're traveling. And therefore not every one of your pictures or videos on your trip looks like you're wearing the same stuff. So that's very nice. Also, with 5 tops and 5 bottoms, that gives you enough that if you have to go do your laundry, which you should do when you're traveling, you can get 4 of everything washed while you're wearing 1 of them. And that can extend your trip another few days without having to worry too much. And the one exception that we always do with the rule of 5, like I said before, is actually underwear. So if you want to bring some extra underwear, that's not a problem, because usually they're small and they pack up very easily. But one thing I would say is if you're doing a check bag, always throw an extra pair of underwear in your carry-on in case your luggage get lost, because you could wear the same shirt and pants again, but you don't want to wear the same underwear after you've been up traveling for 30 hours straight. Ooh, gross. So throw that extra underwear in your carry-on bag and you'll be okay. So, Anna, I hope this helps you know how we travel for 2 weeks or 2 months, because that's exactly what we do. What are your travel tips? Let us know down in the comments below, and I'll say bye from here in York.